Nope, nothing to rehearse. Do you know your name?
Just barely. Hello, everyone. My name is Ed Komyshyn. I've been with AMC Foam since it was incorporated back in 1994. So that makes me 30 years old. And we're here at IBS to introduce our new form called Element, which is an offshoot of the original Logix form. This showcase that we've brought out the Element in, there was approximately about 100 people showed up that we corralled into coming into the ballroom here, and I haven't had one negative review of Element. Everybody's looking forward to it, and we're going to kick butt with it. Well, it started with Tom Smerchansky calling me one night. It was New Year's Eve of 1994, asking me if I would come and work for him. And so then I was his first employee, and we started our business in January of 1995. The product we started with was Blue Max, which then morphed into Arts, and then that went under, and that's when Logix was born in 2002. But this Element has been in development for over 5 years, and now it's finally come to fruition, and it's going to replace Logix this year. We anticipate doing a lot of damage to the other ICFs in the marketplace.